All right, so let's look at another example. Here I have tangent of pi over 12. Now I could do the sum and difference and decide, hey, I want to split this up, and I'm clearly going to have to do subtraction because pi over 12 is basically 15 degrees. And I can do it with sum and difference, but I can also do it with the half angle. And I could think, okay, well, what is half of pi over 12? Well, half of pi over 12 is pi over 6. Pi over 6 is on my unit circle. So I can actually say the tangent of pi over 6 divided by 2, this is still pi over 12. I'm just being a little creative with my math. And from here, I can use my half angle formula. My half angle formula for tangent is going to be, let's see, it's going to be sine of my angle, pi over 6, over, and I think the one with the sign on top, let me double check so I don't do this wrong, is 1 plus cosine of pi over 6. Okay. I wanted to make sure I get the formula right, because if you have the wrong formula, no matter if you do everything else right, you're still wrong. So look at the formula. Make sure you have your notes in front of you. Make sure you're using the correct formula. Now, from my left-hand trick, I know sine of pi over 6 is going to be 1/2 over 1 plus, this becomes the square root of 3 over 2 from my left-hand trick. So we're going to clean this up. We're going to have 1/2 divided by, well, let's add this. This is going to be 2 plus the square root of 3 over 2. When we divide fractions, we're going to keep flip change. This is going to give me 1/2 times 2 over 2 plus the square root of 3. And then from here, this and this cancel. This gives me 1 over 2 plus the square root of 3. All right, from here, I don't want to have a square root in the bottom, so let's multiply it by the conjugate. So I'm going to do 2 minus the square root of 3 over 2 minus the square root of 3. Let's see what I get. I'm going to get 2 minus the square root of 3 over, this becomes 4 minus 3. So I got 2 minus the square root of 3 over 1, which is just 2 minus the square root of 3. And voila, there is my exact answer of tangent of pi over 12. Just take some arithmetic with it. You're going to have to make sure you're doing your arithmetic right. But once again in my class, if I ask for an exact answer, that means you're going to use one of these formulas and the unit circle to get your answer. If you give me a decimal, you are wrong and you will not get credit. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.